I am packing these 2 orders from my small business. I just finished making them. So we have this pink checkered heart cup for Ansley, and then we have this strawberry one for Claire. That'll both be going out today. But I thought I'd make a video to show all the shipping supplies I use and how I pack the cups for anybody who wants to know and watches my TikToks or Instagram Reels. And because I get a lot of questions about where I get my supplies. So hopefully I can answer all of them in today's video. Everything that I use will be linked below, so if you want to grab one for yourself or your small business, then I'll have it all in one spot for you to see, so it's easier to find. Moving along, these are my glass cups. Now when I get them, they don't have the vinyl on them. If you see my shorts, you see that I cut the vinyl out myself and then placed them on the cups. But these clear cups can be found on my Amazon list. Everybody asks me where I get them from. And you can get a pack of 6 or 8 or 24. There's a bunch. I usually get the bigger pack because the cost is less per cup. So, yep. And the lids are separate. They do have listings that have the cup and the lid, but I just like certain lids, so I'll have that link below as well. Then I have these thank you cards, and I put them on top of all of my shipping boxes because it adds a cute little addition for when they open their package. They have a bunch of designs to choose from, and if you want to customize your own thank you cards, there is a website you can use, and I'll also have that linked below for you if you prefer a more personalized route. The first thing that I do is fill the cup up with some freebies and cute paper shreds. I'm using some white and hot pink paper shreds, so I just put that in there. And then I put my mini thank you card in here, or a business card, whatever you want to use. I like to write my Instagram and Etsy on the back, as you can see. Set that right there. Some adorable sticker extras on the side. That for the other cup as well. Get our bamboo lid. And boom. Ta-da! Isn't that so cute? I just love the way it looks. These are both of the cups filled with the freebies and ready to be packed up. I get this question a lot. People ask me where I get my shipping boxes from, and like I said, it's from Amazon. These are 10 by 7s by 5s, and they're the white ones. So you just fold them up and then use them. And I really like them because they're the perfect size for the cups. They can fit up to 3 cups, and they all fit nice and snug in there, so there isn't so much room for it to like move around or for you to have to put filler paper or packaging paper in. So I really like that. But yeah, if you do have 16-ounce glass cans or cups that you want to start in your small business, I highly recommend these boxes. For the glass straws that come with the glass cups and bamboo lid, this is what it looks like. This pack comes with straw cleaners, but I don't have enough to give to everybody, so I give them to the bigger orders. However, you can also buy a separate pack if you want to include them. I like the ones that are arched at the top, but they do have ones that are straight up or a set of both. These straws are probably my favorite. They're not thin, they're good for smoothies, and they're very durable, so I include these in every single order. They also fit perfectly into the straw hole of the bamboo lid, so you don't have to worry about it being too small to where it like wiggles everywhere, or too thick where it can't. Even if you're not selling glass cups and you want to look for quality glass straws, I still recommend these for personal use. On to securing the items. I bubble wrap everything individually, from the straw to the glass cup, except for the lid. However, if my supporter wants a blinged lid, then I do bubble wrap these separately from the cup. Aren't these so cute though? Like, look how shiny that is. I love it. And they're all packed up. Next up is the straw. I always get the most worried about the straws breaking during shipment, because you can like bend them, and I don't know, I'm just scared of them breaking. So I like to make sure these are very, very secure. But yeah, that's everything. That's where I get my glass cups, my lids, my straws, and my shipping supplies, whatever I recommend, because a lot of people, like I said, asked me. So I'm sorry if this video was kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to give everybody a chance to see everything I use in one spot. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.